So I was looking for platforms that can turn my horizontal videos into vertical ones. I did find some platforms, but they had their own limits, their own pricing plan to remove watermarks or to download high quality videos. So I thought of creating my own. I did thought back in May 27. So, but that time I just took it light. But today I got the motivation to do so. So here's the brief system design. We will go through the system design, but it's like 2-3 API calls only. And before that, let's proceed what it actually does. So it basically creates two types of videos. One is just simply resizing the original video and fitting into the vertical layout with a background and a text. We can also add captions. I haven't added in this video. And the other one is to recognize people and split it into the two half screens, top and bottom. Right. And how this is being done? This is all based on a terminal based, editor. I haven't created a GUI for that. So it first uses WhisperAI, then it uses DeepSeek to create titles, right? Like this one is actually really cool. No sir, no ma'am. Casual senior junior relationship at bits. So just transcribe the audio and it will send to the DeepSeek. DeepSeek will create the return the timestamp and the title that you're looking for. So you can then select the title you want. It could be comma separated, right? You can just select all if you want. And to give a brief on the architecture also, so we have step 1, transcribe the audio using WhisperAI. Step 2, create titles and by sending it to the DeepSeek v3. Step 3 depends on the user input. If it's simple resize, we will just use Python and create something like this. And if we want to, recognize the people and come with this top and bottom layout, we are using Qwen Vision API. Then, it will return back the coordinates where the people are sitting and the Python will do the job. So I've created this today and let's run it live. Python 3.11, you can just run it and enter the path. So let's take this video. Okay, so do you want titles? Yeah, I do want title. Do you want to add captions? No, for now. So WhisperAI is being hit. What's time? 9:47. Let's see. Okay, 9:47. Not bad. It's I've taken a smaller clip, 3 to 4 minutes. Analyzing the transcript for viral clips with DeepSeek v3. Okay, it has came up with one valid clip. Okay, previously it came with 5 to 6. I mean, it depends. You need to run it again and again. It can come with new creativity. How have I scored 98th percentile without proper preparation? Okay, I want this one. Your selection. Do you want to edit title? Do I want to edit title? No, I don't want to edit title. Hmm. Okay. Oh shit. We created. We selected Vision API one. I see. I actually want to select because we have added the title, so I want to select the resize one. Cool. Let's see what it will give. I would then just change the API key because same model is being hit again and again. What did it created? How I scored this one? Oh, this one. How I scored 90. This can be done like if I'm using AI tool. I mean the Vision API where there is a top and bottom. We can add the title maybe in the center and the caption.
Okay,
also.
so you
Okay. So it has added the outro also. Let's try again. Processing clip 2 by 2. Okay, the first one is ready. I don't know why these Mac people have this stupid folder structure. Can't it be like, I don't want to say, but it could be like Windows. Just properly scheduled everything. How I manage my student. Yeah, this one.
how many hours per day for the cat's personal study? Maybe I study on weekends mainly. Like I try to pull off a really
Great.
like
I
make
can add more features now, right? If I want to increase the playback also. And this is quite good. This is where open source. I could open source it. Because if I am going to make it a SaaS, I am going to hit the same the paid plans that these guys are using, because if you are using SaaS you need to maintain that server cost. I can go serverless, but I guess then also, right, you will get this $14.5. This is like reasonable. So I don't think so I will make it a SaaS, but yeah, for my own use case rather than using it as a SaaS, I have created my own and I am quite happy. So yeah, it was great. So this was the first revision. I started in the morning, like my morning starts at 10:30 a.m. But yeah, so it was like 6 to 7 hours. Some programming, some vibe coding, and it went good. Yep. Thank you.